There's a lot of unknown when it comes to space. And I think that that's probably the thing that freaks me out the most is the overall size that we're talking about here. Because our puny human minds were never built to contemplate this stuff. The sheer vastness of the universe is, when you really sit down and think about it, if you've ever, I mean, I'm sure you sat down and tried to imagine eternity, and it wrecks your brain, you know. For me, it's these voids that are out there. So in cosmology, there are groups of galaxies, you know, and then there are these areas where there is nothing. We're still trying to figure out why that is, and why gravity is so, it works down channels instead of like in everywhere. Obviously gravity works everywhere, but there are places where if you did that, you would assume that galaxies just like to hang out with each other, because there's massive voids where there is literally nothing. There are no galaxies, there are no stars in these massive voids. There is just nothing. All the galaxies are kind of in these tendrils that almost look like brain matter if you zoom out enough. They're just in these tendrils together, and we're just another galaxy and all that. But the voids are weird because there's nothing there. And even when I say there's nothing there, that's not true. There is hydrogen atoms out in those voids that are just free floating. There's different fields like magnetic fields and like the Higgs boson, which is the particle that we found recently, the last couple of years anyway, that gives other particles their mass. These fields are everywhere, you know, but for some reason there's these voids in space. And you're talking about voids that are millions of light years across. If you were the speed of light going across this void of nothing, it would take you 1 million years to get from one side to the other, and some of them are even much more massive than that.